Hey there everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 11. So let's get started. So it's a very easy process to do. What you can simply do, go to the start option right over here, right click on your mouse, and then you will see the settings option. So go to the settings, all right, then go to the personalization as per here, then go to the colors. Just tap on the colors, and now from here you will see the choose your mode. From here, as you can see, this is light, so let's just move the light into dark. All right, like that. So that's how you can simply enable the dark mode in Windows 11. So if you just go with the dark mode, you can do that, and also you can go with the customization option. Like if you just tap on the custom, then there will be two options. So choose your our default Windows mode to dark, choose your app mode to dark. So if you just want to make sure that your Windows looks dark, you can go with this. Rather than that, you can also go with the dark. If we just turn it on, as you can see, choose your default app mode, then it is light as now. If we just open up any of the application, it will be in bright mode. If you don't want, then go with the dark. And also, if your default Windows mode is dark, let's just make it light. So if you download just random videos or random things, then defaultly it will be in the light mode. So that's how you can simply enable dark mode in Windows 11. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.